Hi, welcome to Canvas. Today we're looking at how you can embed external tools, websites, and other apps into Canvas so that the students never have to leave the Canvas environment to interact with those simulations or add on third-party web tools. This is a pretty cool trick, and it does allow for some flexibility in what you're able to do with Canvas. Most of these interactions will be done through one of two ways, either through the Insert Edit Media tool using an embed code, or they've been installed as an external tool throughout Canvas. Now, some external tools can be installed individually at the course level, but some need to be done by a Canvas administrator at the district level. The ones we'll look at today are ones that you can do yourself. So let me give an example of how to use the Insert Edit Media Embed tab to add an interactive to Canvas. This isn't a Canvas page, but it could also be done in an assignment or a discussion or anywhere else you're using the Canvas Rich Content Editor. I'm going to go to a Padlet that I previously had created, and I'm going to click on the Share button at the top. When I see these two icons here below, I know that an embed code is going to be offered. Now, this is a lot of code, but trust me, you don't have to be able to read that to know what to do with it. I'm just going to click copy. That's going to copy it to my clipboard. When I come back to Canvas, I just paste it here in this embed code area, click OK, and now my Padlet is embedded and interactive right here on my Canvas page. My students don't have to go outside of Canvas and potentially get lost in the World Wide Web to be able to participate in this activity. It's a pretty fast and easy way to include extra content within Canvas. If I wanted to add some directions of what they're expected to do, I can click Edit. I'm going to put my mouse before the Padlet, and then I can type here my directions. That's a fast way to add an embeddable web tool right into a Canvas page using the Insert Edit Media. Another way to get content into a Canvas space is to use the LTI or Integrated Learning Tools here in the External Tools. One of the best ones, of course, is our Google Drive. You can embed any of your Google Drive products here. You can also look through the ones that your district has added. They would show up here. And then let me show you one that you can add yourself. This one is Flipgrid, and the way that you might add that as an external tool would be under Settings. Flipgrid allows you to create an account outside of Canvas. And then once you've logged into your Flipgrid account outside of Canvas, there's a quick way to add an integration. By clicking on your name and then the word integrations. You'll click here to copy the consumer key and shared secret in just a minute. When you're in Canvas, you go to the app section of your course settings and then add Flipgrid, and then it becomes an external app that you will add. Once you click plus add app, it'll ask for that consumer key and shared secret, which you will find back in Flipgrid under your integrations. Once you've added that, you would start to see Flipgrid as an external tool when you create an assignment. I'm going to go to modules and create a new assignment just to show you where to find those external tools that you can embed into Canvas. In this assignment, I'll go ahead and scroll down in the edit window to the submission type. Of course, you would add any directions for your students to know what to do in this assignment in the Rich Content Editor here, but you'll come down to the submission type and external tool to find Flipgrid as that integrated third-party application. Once I've selected Flipgrid, I'll click Save. The first time you do this, it will ask you to create a course grid with a simple click, and then you can create a topic for your students to comment back to you on. Now, this isn't a video on how to use Flipgrid, but how to find external tools that you can use with inside Canvas. This is just an example of one. So the best way to get started is to just look for the ways that you can integrate external tools either through an embed code in a page, an assignment, or a discussion, or the external tools that you can add or your district has added and would show up in the external tool area of either the rich content editor or the assignment submissions. Have fun playing with external tools and embedded content in Canvas.